All right. Hello, everybody. It is Monday, new week. Let's see if we can do better this week. It is 4:39 p.m. I just have to go over the trades as it as just a static kind of what I was thinking at the moment. I left my recording at uh, at work, so I don't have it. And after spending 12 hours at work, I do not feel like driving back and get it. Anyway, here it is. Sorry, got a phone call. All right, sorry about that. Don't know where I'm at, but hey, so what happened is I was digging around online. There's a website called Price Action Indicators. It's pretty nice. The uh, the EMA line instead of just the generic line, it actually will highlight it whether or not it's a downtrend or an uptrend or it's still undecided. I don't know what the gray mean, maybe neutral. But the nicest thing is that it marks the low of yesterday, the high of yesterday. Oh, the they actually the market close, so it's a little off right now. Let's see. So it has okay, so it's a little bit odd because so this is the low of day, which is a new trading day now according to Ninja Trader, right? It's after the stock market close, so it's a new day, and then it has the open of day, okay, and then it has the close of yesterday. So in the morning when you open this up, this actually makes a lot more sense. What I'll do though is I'll try to copy what they did and add the overnight high and overnight low, the one that I normally would add. But you can see like today, this line right here keep on moving up, right? You really don't have a reference of where the overnight high and low is, and I think that data point is actually critical for me. Okay, so I'll do that. But if you want, you can just go to priceactiontraders.com and download that. It's free. They have a set of free indicators, and then they have a bunch that's like 230. I don't want to pay for anything, right? I just don't like pay product as a trader starting out, right? You're struggling trying to make it, and everything you touch is like a couple $100. Just not worth it at this point, right? We gotta make this work without having to spend money. As you can see, like I said, I uninstall, delete everything, reinstall. Ran into some issue this morning, but I don't even have the tick counters down here yet this morning. Um, the ring my trading, I had it here. I didn't even add the one that I added right here, but I will do that. Let's go over the trades real quick. Well, first of all, let's go over how we did. So we net, well, this is not a net, gross 225. I mistakenly did not set the commission, so it didn't add. So later when we do the math, we have to figure out what it is. It's about $200, right? So after 4 consecutive losing day, I'm pretty happy with this. Well, let me say that again. I'm not really happy with this today. To me, today was a fairly easy day. It's such an uptrend day, right? If you just pick any second entry that is an uptrend, chances are you're gonna get it. So um, today success is not to. I won't overly celebrate and say, yeah, we got it. We have to do well on range day, right? That's when those days are hard. Today, great, but don't celebrate just yet. Okay. All right. So let's zoom out. A lot of action. Okay. So here's the low. The high by the time is right here, and you can see that it's making its way back, right? Sorry, I don't have the trend channel, but I told myself I would dedicate it 6:30 to about 7:20, about this range right here to trade, and you can see I did not get any trades in. I was struggling trying to get the install back to work, and then was just a busy Monday overall. So I was able to squeeze some trades in here. How many did we did? We do, I believe, seven. One of it was a really bad trade. I'll go over that. But so we got 6 out of 7. Like I said, trending day. Don't get too excited about it. So um, okay, let's zoom in. So the first trade that I took is right here, about 8:30. Okay, pretty late in the day. We already gone a few hours in, but this one, it's a bit risky. It's a bit risky. So I would say, and to be honest, I actually missed it. I did it right here, but I did it in the simulation account. So I actually fell, and then when it came up here, that's when I put in the real one. So I actually, if that simulation account was real, it would have been a loss. But I did it right here. But this is a range day, so it's pretty hard. Um, I mean, it's not a range day, it's a trending day, so this is not really not recommended, right? We got lucky that we made some money here. Otherwise, it would be, let's see, be about, yeah, about 2 points. Okay, but we got one there. So basically, it's a 2 second short, right? Count right there. First entry, second entry came down. But it's just a series of uptrend and continue to go up. Okay, so right here, uh, come to a top, came down first entry right here, break down, do a doji. I don't like doji too much, right? Came down, still around the EMA. This one, what sold for me was I closed above the EMA again, and then so I did it right there, came right back up. Uh, this one here. So the reason I did this one, and I did it a few times. So came to a high, triple top, came down, form a double top, came down here, came up back to the double top again, and then came up. So I actually took this as a trap because this is just a first entry long, right? First entry right there. But if you count from here, actually, so right here, first entry right there. This is really like the third entry, right? It ticks down, fell, but normally, normally when it forms a triple top like this, and it goes down here, it's going to run really fast. If not, it's going to try to make it back up here and then it goes off. Still a lot of risk. You just do that on a day where the trend is just so strong. I mean, the whole day is just a series of uptrend play. Okay, I think this right here is the one that this is the one that I lost right here. Yeah, I don't know what I saw here. I really want to get in on this particular one right here, but yeah, I couldn't remember what happened, but I saw a triple top again, right? It went down. This one actually got its scalp, no, right at 5, so I didn't get it yet. So I put it right here and notice that I put it after the green, right? So in a way I was sort of chasing this trade, right? After it did that, I went in and tried to get it, but then again, if I did it to this right here, my stop loss would be down here. I would have gotten it, right? This right here, I actually put my stop loss right here. That's really, I didn't even do it above my signal bar. If I use this as a signal bar, because technically that's what's up again, right? I didn't do it at the signal bar. I did it right where it closes. Because if I did it at the signal bar, it would be up here, and I would not get fill until this candle right here, and I would get my scalp over here, right? So in a way, I was chasing the tray. Not sure what I did, but then it ticks down again, and it came back up. So I did it right here as a trap to this particular area right here, and I got it. Again, I think both of those are not the best trades. Okay, so this one here is make new high of day. First entry came down, formed a double bottom, came back up. Um, I particularly like this one because the risk is small. Okay, exactly 2 points. I think at this point, 2 point risk is just really good. Okay, and then I think this is the final play for the day. You can see form a double top, first entry, second entry short, came down right here, double top. So I place it above there for this trap. Sure enough, it tick above. And to be honest, I walk away when I got in, right? Because what happened is that at this point, volumes are not the best. Okay, so it took a little longer to do. So you can see that this bar right here is 11:33, and by the time that we got out, it's 42. So 10 minutes, right? 10 minutes watching this is not fun, especially when this doji came all the way down here testing us, right? Just teasing with us. Just stop right there. Your stop loss is right here. One more tick, you would have been stopped out. Okay. Uh, but I had to go somewhere, so I just got in, and then just let the trade work. So I got that there. Okay. Otherwise, there's a few more. I don't know if I would take this one. No, this is a first entry. One. First entry, go up. Second entry is right here. This one would have been a fail. So I don't know. Depends on what we see at the time. I don't know. I would take that one. Almost like a doji, right? But yeah, that was the last trade that I took. Wasn't around for the rest of it. This one here. But overall, fairly easy day, right? Because of the trend. At the beginning, though, there was a lot of good trades at the beginning. Just too bad I wasn't available to do it. So you can see right here, fairly good, right? And then right here, keep on rechecking. First entry, second entry, recheck. Would have taken that trap to go down. So tomorrow, what I'll do is I'll make this time slot to 6:30 to about 6:25 a priority for most of my trade. And I think for now, if I get 4 winning trades straight, which is equate to about $200, I'll probably stop right until I get back on my journey there. Okay. My apologies. I don't have the video so that you can see how the bar goes. But again, today we are green, but we are on the green. But I won't get too excited because today, to me, this was an easy day, right? I think I think a lot of people come out on top on days like this, and then on a ranging day, we just get chopped to pieces. And so just just remember to keep your guards up. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Well, let's fill out this spreadsheet real quick here. All right, so we know we net 225. I'm just gonna do it right here. 225, and then it's 194 per contract each way times 2. Times 2, we did 7 of them. So it's $27. Whoa. So it's 25 minus 27. So we only got 197.84. 197.84. Okay. So our account size is back above 2,000, which is good. So, you know what I noticed though? What I noticed is going back to the $10,000 journey, right? We started out really well too, just like we did here, and then something happened on that fourth day. We lost $1,000, and then we have a series of losses, and then a bunch where we barely make any money, right? So this is normal. I'm just hoping that later on, right, as we move along, we're gonna be able to replicate like this kind of performance right here. Okay, so I want to thanks all the people that's been following this journey, right? Three losing day, and we're still having people following this journey. So appreciate all you guys out there watching this and following this journey with me. All right, so if you like it, please subscribe, share, and give me the thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully, we have another green day tomorrow and more green days this week and next week. We're going to be back to where we started in no time here. Okay, see ya.